Hi, this is the Optimism Avenue. I'm Usman Khan. I am joined by an amazing watercolor artist who has won award globally, Shaima Umar. So, Shaima, tell me, if somebody wants to do artwork, how they can get inspired?
Hi, Usman. Thank you very much for calling me on this meeting. As an artist, you probably know the feeling that we all are struggling when it comes to get the inspiration for your art pieces. Uh, Good ideas and inspiration are everywhere. We just have to be aware of it. There are generally two directions when it comes to inspiration. First is your personal art piece, something as an artist, what you want to do in life.
Hmm,
Second part is some challenge or project you're working on, or maybe a theme or competition that is given to you, whatever it is. The
hmm,
first thing that we are looking for is how to get the inspiration from.
hmm,
So, what we do is it's all about collecting the ideas to define the topic related to your art piece. For example, when it comes to my personal art, I generally like to paint skies, water, reflection, and boats.
hmm,
And so people ask me, where do I get the inspiration
hmm,
from?
hmm,
That's what I tell to my students, that we can get the inspiration from everywhere. We just have to be conscious and aware of it.
hmm,
For example, if there is a lake and we are looking at it, so sometimes we just start staring at it and start watching something else.
hmm,
But when we are conscious
hmm,
and we turn our mind on, I'll be able to see it differently. I'll be able to see the scene in terms of colors,
hmm,
reflections, where the light is coming from,
hmm,
and I'm what maybe a story behind it, or maybe a relation between the objects in the scene, or maybe what I'm feeling at the moment, and the atmosphere and the weather around me.
ah,
So all these are the pieces which can help me create something entirely different
hmm,
what I'm actually seeing.
hmm,
If you get this different view of looking at things,
hmm.
then you'll be able to create something creative,
Okay.
because everything is not as it
Hmm,
is how an artist perceives it,
hmm.
feels it, explore it, and ultimately presents it on his canvas.
Hmm. And the thing is also that the emotional thing, the phase you're going through in life, I think everything matters. So now, okay, you get this idea. Now, how to how to make an art, how to produce an art. You have an idea, sometimes you have ideas but you are unable to deliver it or unable to do that. So if that one aspect is the ideas, if the other aspect is that how to create it, so if there is a problem there, how to deal with that?
Yes, because all of it was a conceptual direction and
Hmm,
inspiration. But I would also like to share some practical implementation of these ideas and inspiration.
hmm,
Uh, First of all, create every day.
hmm,
So you should make it a routine. There is no alternate to hard work. You should
hmm.
make it a routine. Just create every day. And second part is that you should be able to make mistakes.
No.
One thing that keeps us from finding the inspiration,
Hmm,
this is really interesting. I always tell this to my students, that it is a fear of making mistakes,
hmm,
and something we don't want to ruin our art piece
hmm,
or take the responsibility or risk in case it doesn't pay off.
hmm,
So don't be scared of it. We all make mistakes, and you should keep doing it no
hmm,
matter what.
hmm,
Third is be inspired whatever you love.
hmm,
Be inspired things around you, whatever captures your attention, whatever touches your heart,
hmm,
whatever you feel like. We are all inspired by what we love.
hmm.
So these are some factors, and if you keep doing this, I guarantee you, you will learn very fast.
And I think if we should not be afraid of failures. Basically, if your failures lead to something which you might be, able to do something. failures gives you new direction. So I think we should not be afraid of failures. Yeah, and mistakes, of course. The thing is that we should learn from the mistakes, not keep on repeating them. Yeah. So
Nobody can show you their mistakes on social media. When a student comes to me,
yeah,
I show them a bulk of ruined paintings in my room. So
yeah.
that's the first thing I show them, that you shouldn't be afraid of making mistakes and ruin your painting. That's the first step you can take.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Shaima. So hope to have you on this platform again. So thank you for your time.
Thank you very much. Always welcome.